Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, internal security. Last lecture we have seen about the means how one should protect from terrorism and the means terrorist activities in northeast region. Okay. Now today we are going to learn role of the armed forces in internal security situation. Means what is the role of armed force in the internal security situation. See, India has faced several challenges to national integration from within and without. Means India has faced several challenges. In front of India there are several challenges. The Indian Army has been called to assist the civilian authority for the maintenance of law and order. And what is the means Indian Army has been called to assist the civilian authority for the maintenance of law and order. Means Indian Army should be assist means to help the civilian authority for to maintain the law and order, maintain of essential services, assist during natural calamities. Means also Indian Army maintain their essential services, also help to during the natural calamities. Okay, if there is any natural calamity, then Indian Air Force means Indian Army should be help there. The task of maintaining internal security is essentially that of police force. The task of maintaining internal security is essentially that of police force. Police force. It is means work of the police force. It is also important related to internal security. But under some critical circumstances, it becomes necessary for the government to deploy the armed forces. But if there is a critical circumstances, that time it is necessary to means government should be prepare and arrange their armed force. The armed forces have been called in to help to maintain security in Kashmir and the northeast India. Armed forces have been called means to help mostly related to Jammu and Kashmir and northeast of India. They have to help there. Means armed force should be helped there. There are certain rules and regulations that govern the use of armed force when they act in aid of civil authority. There are also certain rule and regulation when armed force act as a means aid of the civil authority. They are based on the following principles. Means some principles they are while working there are some principles. Which principles? Necessity, minimum force, impartiality and good faith. Means with the help of this principle they should be follow, means armed force should be follow this principle: necessity, minimum force, impartiality and good faith. Thus there should be justification for every action that the troops take while acting in this role. And that time if they follow this principle, that time only it is possible to means should be justification there. It is expected that the least amount of force be used, and also there is expected use there a least amount of force, means less amount of force. The force to be used would depend on the situation and the professional judgment of especially the concerned commander. Further, the troops are not to take side in any conflict situation, and also it is depend on the situation. Okay, it's depend on the situation. Especially in the context of religious caste conflict, and these principles are to be followed in the good faith. If there is a conflict, okay, there is a conflict between the caste or conflict between the religion, that time these principles should be followed with the great good faith. Now, last point. Have you heard of a flag march by the army? When there is a severe riot and unrest, and the police and the parliamentary is unable to handle the situation, the army is called to restore peace in the area disturbed by the riots. When there is a severe riot means if there is undiscipline or unrule or unrest, that time the police and parliamentary is unable to handle. Means this police, they are unable to handle this situation. Parliament also, they are unable to handle this situation. That time army is called there to restore peace in the area disturbed by the riot. At such times, the army conducts a parade in the street to show their presence and indicate to the people that they are ready to ensure that there is peace and order in the area. And they are means arrange their parade on the street, and they are indicate that people that they are ready to ensure that there is peace and order in the area. Means people should be ensure about the peace and order in that area, and that's why this parade is means arranged by the armed force. Okay, like this way our internal security lesson is finished. Now you have to solve these activities with the help of internet. Okay, and textbook, and I solve in only textbook. Okay, thank you.